Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadin bakaladon ka Jingbujli Myntri Sarkar. Kabahadu prangut ki Myntri Kilasha Penhiar Sukino. U Myntri rangba kejala u konrat ki sangma ulaong. Bahaba pha ki Myntri Sarkar ki badai na ki weipat ki parti ulaong. Ba ka Jingbujli yaki kadai bed na ka Jingkwah ka parti jongki. Bat karai baka parti jongki kashim. Henry hakabai daypad bat ka NPP ulaong. Baka parti ka don hadu lai pulai ngot ki MLA. Bat ka Kwah ban Ailad yekitu ki MLA ki badon ha ki benta ki bakham don kambha. Baka parti kantrei kambha. U konrat ulaong ru balada ya phai sya ka number lani ka jingdon ki MLA hayeng dorbar. Ka parti NPP kalabiang pura ban sensyar marweru. Henry ulaong baka burampat ya ka jengkaran bat ki weipat ki parti ki baidai ki paralok jong ka NPP. Kumta Kwah ban penkod no ya ka ni ka jengdai hapadeng jongki bat uburam yaki. Kumban chupan kan mau ba ka kanhun Myntri ka barim. Nakaseng UDP gidon arngon kata uba polling do bat uba kerman shila. Henry yakini labujilino do uba medbaling do bat uba lakaman rembui. Naka parti HSPDP pan udon uba Shakler Warjri. Henry labujilino do uba Methodius Dakar Emily Jong ka Motion Road. Ka BGP gadon yu uba AL Heg. Henry menta labujilino do uba Sanbor Shulay. Katba nakaseng NPP pan Kibalasha Penhiar Suki ki kentop ya ka Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo uba Komingwan Umbon u rakam isangma bat u Abu Tahir Mandal bat hakajaka jongki la bujilino do uba Ailad Shilla uba Sostino Sotun u Timothy D. Shira bat u Braining isangma.
See, there were multiple factors. Number one, there was a very clear understanding with our coalition partners that as per their internal party decisions, I will be willing to accept their suggestions and move forward as per the coalition partners' desires and whatever politically they want to, whatever step they want to take. So when it came to the coalition partners, I had stuck with my commitment of the number of cabinet berths that I have given to them. And I have to mention this here today, of course, is that in spite of the fact that today the National People's Party has a majority on its own, we have 33 MLAs. But I was very particular that when we have given a commitment to our coalition partners, we will not break that commitment. And hence, whatever commitment was given in 2023, in spite of the political scenario changing in the state and NPP getting sufficient numbers, we stuck with that commitment. So that's number one. Number two, as I said, when it came to the respective ministries which were held by certain coalition partners, we have gone ahead after a discussion with them, and some of them already had an understanding that they will be changing the ministers at midway. So that understanding was there in some of them. So based on that, they went ahead, and in some cases they discussed the matter within the party and came back to me. So it was based on that. When it came internally to the National People's Party, we have a large number. We have 33 MLAs, and hence for us to be able to give adequate representation to regions and areas was very important for us. Today we have from North Garo Hills 4 MLAs, and hence we felt it appropriate that there should be representation from North Garo Hills, keeping in mind the number of MLAs that are there. In Riboy also we have 4 MLAs out of the 5 MLAs, and hence there was a strong representation as well as a desire by the people of Bhoi that there should be representation from the cabinet from the Bhoi district also. So these are the multiple factors, and different factors were considered, and based on which we have made the decision. Of course, this is not an easy decision for us. It's not a very simple decision for me. There are obviously challenges when we go ahead with this decision. There will always be certain people who feel in different ways. But we have tried to look at all the aspects. I have discussed very deeply. leaders of the party, and based on that, we have taken the decision, and we are, as I said, the swearing in has now been completed, and I personally am very satisfied with this, and now we will work for the next 2.5 years to complete the remaining agendas that we have in the different ministries.
So why 8 MLAs?
It's not necessary that everybody has to be. Mr. Marcus Marak is a very senior member of the party. He's been with the party for a very, very long time. And also, he was from the historical background also. Even before the party was formed, even in NCP, he has been continuously in the party for a very, very long time. At the same time, as I said, he is also the working president of our party. So keeping all of those factors in mind, I felt that Mr. Marcus Marat must continue, and based on that, I've made my decision.
So when are you going to decide about the portfolios? Who is going to get? Can you give us at least a gist of it?
Tonight it will be sent to the governor's secretariat, and we should be hearing about it by tomorrow morning. Yes, so they had the representation in the first half. So obviously then at the same time there were very senior people in the party who had been there for us, with us for the party for a very long time. So our second half we have decided to give based on that. So they had the representation in the first half. So it's not that we did not give any space at all to the non-tribal community or women community. We have given representation, and the first half and the second half now we have decided to give others an opportunity. You see, governance is always a challenge. There is no perfect formula or mix. What is important most is the commitment that individuals have. And I'm sure that all the members who are coming in, the cabinet members, they all have their experiences, they all have their plus, and of course they have their shortcomings also. And hence we will work as a team, and all these senior ministers who are there in the cabinet will guide the other colleagues also. And of course I will also take deep interest in ensuring that our ministers are performing, our ministers are regularly visiting the ground, are regularly having review meetings. So we will work out the system, and we're very hopeful that all of them will be able to contribute immensely to the state.